Hey, Brenda. Did you know that every cigarette cuts 11 minutes off your life?
That's really cool.
Brenda. Cigarettes are the major cause of emphysema, lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, heart disease, and stroke.
I didn't know that.
Pregnant smokers have a much higher risk of infant fatality.
No wonder my baby died.
Tobacco is the first drug used by future alcoholics, potheads, and hardcore druggies.
That must be why I smoke pot.
Hey, Brenda, are you aware that smoking harms everyone around you?
Really? That's fantastic.
There is enough nicotine in 4 cigarettes, if ingested, to kill one adult.
Like an entire adult?
Like an entire adult.
That is so cool.
Not really. Not really.
Did you know there's whale vomit and urine in every cigarette?
Is it whale urine? And how do they get whale vomit?
And did you know that 3,000 kids a day pick up smoking?
3,000? No way! That's so crazy!
And you can look at the log now if you like.